The Design with SolidWorks app is the add-in that connects SolidWorks to the 3D Experience platform. Installing the Connector app is easy from the Collaborative Designer for SolidWorks dashboard. Since it's an add-in, first make sure you've installed SolidWorks. The Welcome app recognizes your roles, so simply click the Install button. If this is the first platform app you've installed, it will ask you to download and then install the 3D Experience Launcher. That's the basic application that is needed to start all your installed apps. Once the launcher is installed, you can click Continue to install Design with SolidWorks. The defaults are all generally good to accept, but you can change things like the installation directory, fault view path, and language. When the install finishes, it may prompt you to restart your machine, which is just a Windows thing. The first time you start SolidWorks with the connector installed, it should be done from the platform. The button on the Welcome app will change to Open for a quick way to find and launch SolidWorks with the connector loaded up. You'll see the 3D Experience tab in the task pane with the connection to My Session. This can be turned on or off from the Add-ins dialog. You're now ready to work on designs in SolidWorks with the connection to the platform for data storage and management in the cloud. For a walkthrough of out-of-the-box data management workflow with the 3D Experience platform, check out the video for Get Started with Collaborative Designer for SolidWorks.